Now we will be discussing about Kumari or Ghruta Kumari as it is known. Botanically there are two varieties, Aloe barbadensis and Aloe Vera, commonly known as the aloe plant. In Kannada it is known as Lolesara. The name Kumari indicates an unmarried young girl. It is so named because Kumari is useful in most of the diseases that the young women face. It may be the disease menstrual disorders, dysmenorrhea, that is painful menstruation or excessive bleeding during menstrual period, or even the skin problems like acne and rashes. For all these diseases, Kumari is a one-stop remedy. So this is aptly named as Kumari. This is a small shrub growing up to 50 to 60 centimeters in height with thick stout leaves. The leaves are pointed at the edge and sharp and very thick in the center, with a very fleshy and juicy pulp, mainly composed of water. The pulp is mainly watery. This is a very important drug in Ayurveda because it is used for, apart from the, like we discussed, apart from the diseases of the gynecological or reproductive part of women, this is also useful for treating liver diseases. So in the almost all gastrointestinal diseases like indigestion or chronic gastritis or early hepatitis, even in early hepatitis B or alcoholic liver disease, most of the times we use Kumari as a rejuvenator of the liver and also to treat these conditions. In skin diseases like eczema and even in psoriasis, Kumari exerts a strong influence of blood purification and helps to treat these conditions. And nowadays Kumari is being evaluated for its anti-cancerous activity, especially in the cervical cancer and reproductive cancers. So the anti-cancerous activity of Kumari is also now almost proven, and it also has an immunomodulator activity wherein we use it for arthritis and other diseases. In skin infections and in piles, especially bleeding piles, Kumari is very effective. If you take the pulp along with sugar candy or even plain pulp with water in the morning for 3 to 4 weeks, it is very helpful in curing bleeding and non-bleeding piles both. The main chemical constituents in Kumari, even though this is good for amenorrhea and other menstrual problems, it is best avoided during pregnancy and in lactation, and if we have to use it, is usually better with a doctor's advice. For home remedies, we can take the pulp of Kumari and add rock salt to it and heat it on a tawa for reducing the moisture, and if you take this 1 teaspoon daily at bedtime, this is very good for piles. And for acne, boils, wounds, skin rashes and sunburns also, we can take out the first layer of the leaf. If you take out the first layer of the leaf, you will get the pulp which is exposed. That pulp can be ground into a paste and applied on the area where acne is there or skin rash or even heat boils are there. It will respond very quickly. 1 spoon of Kumari pulp along with sugar or jaggery every day will give very good luster to the hair and also cure dandruff, seborrheic dermatitis and hair fall. It promotes good hair.